St. Patrick's Day, or the Feast of St. Patrick, is a cultural and religious holiday celebrated on 17 March. It is named after St. Patrick, the most commonly recognized of the patron saints of Ireland. On the 17th March, many cities of the Anglo-Saxon world get dressed, drinking, and celebrating St. Patrick's Day. The day commemorates St. Patrick's and the arrival to Christianity in Ireland, as well as celebrate the pride of being Irish and its culture. Celebrations generally involve public parades and festivals. St. Patrick's Day is a public holiday in the Republic of Ireland, but it's also widely celebrated by the Irish around the world, especially in Britain, Canada, United States, Argentina, Australia, and who was St. Patrick? Little is known about the St. Patrick's early life, though it is known that he was born in a Roman Britain in the 4th century into a wealthy Roman British family. His father was a deacon and his grandfather was a priest in the Christian church. At the age of 16, he was kidnapped by the Irish Riding and taken captive to the Ireland as a slave. It is believed that he was held somewhere in the west coast of Ireland. According to the confession, he was told by the god in a dream to flee from captivity to the coast, where he would board a ship and return to Britain. Upon returning, he quickly joined the church in Auxerre, in Gaul, and studied to be pious. In 432, he again said that he was called back to Ireland, though as a bishop, to Christianize the Irish from native polytheists. Irish folklore claims that one of his teaching methods includes using the sharp rock to explain the Christian doctrine of the Trinity to Irish people. After nearly 30 years of evangelism, he died on 17 March 461, and according to tradition was buried at Downpatrick, although there were over some successful missions to Ireland from Ron Patrick endured as the principal champion of Irish Christianity, and is held in Eton in the Irish Church. Traditions and symbols. Smart Rock. It counts the legend that St. Patrick, to turn the Catholicism to the polytheistic pagans Celts, took one of the shamrocks which abound in the island and indicated the 3 leaves of the plant explain the mystery of Holy Trinity. A plant with 3 leaves that complete it just as Trinity a single God, with 3 peoples, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. But already the old Druids Celts considered to the snarkot a holy plant by their 3 leaves, since 3 were a mystical number. Wear of the green. Originally, the color associated with St. Patrick was blue. However, green color is associated with Irish, England. Everyone calls the Emerald Island. During 14th century, the rebellion of Irish against English, Smartwork became a sign of identity of Ireland, proud and made politician and social until the point on which wearing of the green is there punished by the law. Besides, St. Patrick used the smart rock, which is green, in the Irish Rebellion, against English, used green as a symbol, a political symbol. English soldiers wore full green uniforms on 17 March in hope of catching public attention. The phrase "wearing of green" meaning the word of shamrock, on one's clothing device from a song of the same name, which I tried to show you.